This week was one of those weeks where I was getting a little sick of painting white walls and ceilings especially, and I was doing the living room ceiling. Needed to get it done and get over into the kitchen to start on that and get the kitchen completely finished. It was the biggest room of the house and was a little bit daunting to do. The weather wasn't very good for a July, and I just kept going. One wall at a time, one part of the ceiling at a time, bit by bit, up and down the stepladder with the roller, painting, painting, painting. It was Thursday evening around 5 o'clock and I'd finished painting for the day. Was just about to make some food for dinner, and all of a sudden, John pulled up. What a surprise! He'd gotten Friday off, so now we had a nice long weekend, and he got stuck in. He started to build the guest bed for the bedroom, as we have a guest coming next week. He then started putting up the curtain rods in the living room, the guest bedroom and the other bedroom, and putting the curtains up. The place started to look a little bit more homely, and we were getting ready for our guests to arrive. All day Friday we started painting the kitchen. I did all the low parts, John did all the high parts, getting that second coat on bit by bit, and we got it done. It was finished. I wouldn't say it was the best paint job, but we've got the coats on and it's covered. And we were able to take it down. Do you see what's gone? The scaffolding. After 3 long months, we have the scaffolding gone and the room looks magnificent. It looks amazing. It's huge, it's spacious, it's airy, and just the natural light coming in through the windows, the skylight, the beams. I just couldn't even describe how both we felt proud and happy and exhausted and pleased to see it finished. John soon got into the next project. He had 2 more barn doors to create and build. Smaller ones, but the same style as the big one he had already done. We wanted the utility room door, a barn door, matching the big one as we were both in the kitchen. And also the living room on the other side, that a barn door too. So the 2 doors in the living room would be also matching. And it took him no time at all to make them. His knowledge from creating and building the first big one, and the fact that these were a little smaller and not as heavy, he was soon cutting, measuring, well, hopefully measuring, then cutting, and he built them fast. They looked great. And while John was busy building the barn doors, I was in the bedrooms trying to find in all our big stock of where everything is, the bedding for the guest bedroom. It needed to be washed, dried, ironed, put on the bed, and set up the room nicely for my special guest, our special guest coming next weekend. The bedroom looks great, and so does our bedroom. Both of them with the curtains up and the beds made. They look so amazing. We were both really happy with the way things had gone. It'd been a long, busy day, and just at the end of the day, when we were making dinner and settling down, John said, "Come outside, quick, bring your camera." And this is what we saw. Isn't it beautiful? Our cottage, an amazing sunset. When we came back in, the doors had been hung and they looked amazing. John's done an amazing job on those barn doors. I can't stop talking about them, looking at them. They're exactly how I envisioned and what I've always wanted to have. It's not everyone's cup of tea, but it's definitely mine. Not only did the living room barn door fit just perfectly the way we wanted it to open, it couldn't have been any more perfect. It doesn't matter what measuring you can do. We weren't even millimeters close to where it needed to fit and for everything to come together. That was in the hands of someone else. But John had done an amazing job and hung up the third barn door, and together the three of them just complement each other, and he's done a great job. The weekend was amazing. I think one of our favourites so far. We had been busy all Thursday evening, Friday all day and evening, and Saturday all day and evening, and accomplished so much. The place has just been transformed and looks amazing, looks incredible. And on the Sunday, it was the most beautiful, hot, sunny day, and we decided to sit out in the back, get some sun and relax. It was beautiful. But then we couldn't help but go out and have a drive around of the views. Go high up and see the stunning scenery. On the Monday morning, John had already left to go to work in Dublin, and it was quiet. All of a sudden, it arrived. My next book, The Blank Pages, A Magical Read, is published. Available on Amazon. This book takes you on a journey to different places around the world, and it's close to my heart because all these places I've visited myself. And as I wrote the book and described the place, the feeling, the smells, the aroma, the delicious foods, it took me back to when I was at those places visiting. If you're interested in my book, The Blank Pages, A Magical Read, it's available on my Amazon with my other books. The link to the books in Amazon will be in the description and the comments. Thank you for watching. If you're enjoying our journey, please like, share, comment, and subscribe.